Morning, Marco. How you doing?
Hey, Tom. Great. Listen, do you know how you always say you enjoy a good challenge?
I've said that in the past, yes.
Well, here's the thing. We've been hired by a movie studio. Isn't it great?
Oh, okay. Yeah. What studio?
I'm not at liberty to say, but basically they want us to cut a movie trailer for them.
Okay. What film are we cutting the trailer for?
Well, there's no movie. Actually, there's no budget. And we've only got 5 hours to come up with it.
Perfect. Okay, if there's no movie and you can't tell me who the studio is and there's no budget and we've only got 5 hours, what am I making this trailer from?
Well, I'm glad you asked. Stock footage and stock music.
I see where this is going.
Well, you do know where to find them, right?
I think that I know a place to find some stock assets.
Here are the rules.
Okay, hit me.
5 hours. Final cut needs to be 30 seconds to a minute. We got to use stock footage. Part of the challenge is the research. At least 10 or 15 clips. 2 fonts. A single music track. I'll leave the ton up to you. We don't really know if it needs to be horror, sci-fi, drama. I'll leave that entirely up to you.
Romantic comedy?
Romantic comedy, why not? Sound effects. Whooshes, stumps, everything you can find. Alien sounds. And then, of course, at least 1 or 2 video templates, either from After Effects, Adobe Premiere, or DaVinci Resolve. Doesn't matter the platform that you're going to be using, but we need to have at least 2.
All right, so there are all the rules. Is there anything else that I need to know about this challenge?
Yes, there's actually one little thing. We're going to be doing this in front of a live audience.
Okay, well, I edit at home. Are you sending a bunch of people to come and stand around my desk, or how is that going to work?
You know, as much as I would really like that, we're actually going to be doing this through a live stream on our YouTube channel, the Tuts Plus YouTube channel.
So I've got 5 hours to source all of my assets, decide what kind of film I'm cutting a trailer for, cut the trailer, put music to the trailer, make any graphics, and also run the live stream as well?
Indeed.
Fantastic.
Basically.
I'm definitely up for the challenge.
Awesome. I knew you would say yes.
So actually, yep, we're going to be doing this on the 23rd of February, so check out the description below and it'll have all of the time zones listed for when you can catch me doing this challenge. And I think, Marco, they should probably subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel so they don't miss out. Is that correct?
I completely agree. The Tom Challenge, coming to you February 23rd.
The Tom Challenge, I like that. It's got a ring to it. All right, is there anything else? Please tell me there's nothing else in this challenge.
No, sir. That'll be all. That'll be
Perfect.
all for now.
I'll see you on the 23rd of February then.